Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, you will learn about the concept of using the flexibility to remove the interference. So let's get started. The insert and base model used in this exercise are assembled in the workshop using a fit type interface. In real life, the interference caused by the press fit is intended to be used to keep the parts together. In Creo Parametric, an interference between the component is an annoyance because it is listed every time the global interference check is run. Also, the interference can cause the line display inconsistencies in drawings. To avoid these problems, use the flexibility to remove the interference yet maintain both the component and assembly design intent. Let's see the practical demonstration. Here we have two parts. One is the base part and another one is the insert part. You can see the interference between the parts. To check the interference between the parts in Creo Parametric, we will use the Creo Parametric tool Global Interference. You can see the interference between the parts highlighted in red color. Now we will remove the interference between the parts by adding the flexibility inside the components. In this video lecture, you will also learn how to add flexibility to components feature. To add the flexibility, we will select the component, right-click it, and make flexible. Here we change the method from dimension to features. We will select this feature to remove interference between parts. We will click Yes in the warning dialog box to confirm adding the pattern to the varied item list. Here we will change the component status to suppressed. You can see the feature has been removed, but interference is still there. Here you can see the interference between parts. To remove this interference, we will again add one dimension. We will select the component again and we will open the varied item dialog box. This time we will add dimension. We will add 15 dimension. Here we will change 15 dimension to 14. You can see the interference has been removed. Again, we will check the interference by using the Global Interference tool. You can see there is no interference between the components. Remember, even with the flexible dimensions and features applied to the assembly instance of the insert part, the part model maintains its design state. This completes the demonstration. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Let us know in the comment section if you have any questions or topic you want us to cover next.